Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We are Michelle and Beto and we are building a campervan.
Yes, guys, we are in Scotland, and in this hard time, we decided to build a camper van. Now we can see it's getting on shape and it's looking nice. And today we're gonna show our job installing the vinyl flooring and also the cladding. We are dealing with hard weather, but we are managing to work, and the job is getting amazing. Our van is parked in a friend house, and we are working a safe environment, and they have been very kind to us, so we are having fantastic moments.
Yes, Priya, thank you so much for love and kindness. We really enjoy it to stay in your home.
So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your thumbs up. Thank you guys, bye bye. Okay guys, we are a little bit late for today. The sun is setting down, but we still have one work to do. We need to install our vinyl. The frontal floor is prepared. Michelle looks happy and ready.
I'm so excited to floor installation.
She has the shield, the fighter shield, and we're gonna do that now. Hey guys, could not be better to work installing the vinyl floor, having this beautiful sunset. Wow.
Today we are trying to keep going with our van conversion, but the weather today is wind a lot, sometimes rainy. We should adapt something today. We try to do the best. Only God will stop us today.
We are about to finish our tongue and groove cladding. Seriously, we are about to finish our tongue and groove cladding. As you guys can see, we are just getting into that view. Michelle is filling the gap with some white stuff, recycled plastic loft insulation.
Hello guys, can you see that? No, me neither. We are at Beach, Air Beach in Scotland, and now our our campervan build can't stop, you know. Then we are here to cut our wood.
So we came to the beach. We are cutting some woods, and tomorrow during the rain we still can keep work inside the van as we have been working so far.
Hello guys, we are so glad. Yesterday we worked until late at night, and today is raining dogs and cats, but we are inside our van. So Beto is building our bed and the garage. So we have all materials, and we are so happy because we didn't stop.
Yes, we have to improvise, and with this circular saw, I built a table saw and also this meter saw, and we are working and cut wood straight as we need for our project. Sometimes we have to be creative, find stuff, look for new ideas of doing something else, and that's what we are doing while building that camper van. The last wood to paint, Michele is about to finish it. And it's our last night here, and we are so thankful. We're gonna move to another place. Before we left the house, we had a chance to play with Ishan and talk with Priya and Dilip and say goodbye, and we knew that it was our last day in the house, and it was a special moment for us. Thank you for everything.